The Good evening, everyone. I hope I'm audible. A warm welcome to ICE platform. I am Neelam Parshuram from IC Ventus team, and thank you for joining us once again this Tuesday. For those who are attending this for the first time, welcome to our weekly webinar series where every Tuesday we connect with professionals, experts, and learners from the elevators and escalator industry on one common platform. So while we wait for a few more participants to join in, I'll take a few minutes to explain what does IC do and how do we work with the industry. So ICE platform. So this platform is designed to share practical knowledge, industry insights and real world experience that can help you grow professionally and to stay updated with the latest development in the industry. We are glad to see participants joining in from different locations, and we truly appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to learn, to gain insights, and to upgrade your knowledge with us today. So it's an initiative by IC Ventus. IC Ventus also organizes exhibitions, trade show, and industry events. So we create a platform that supports learning, collaboration, and business growth. IC Ventus have become a trusted bridge connecting regional market with global opportunities. Next is our upcoming shows. So this is IC India 2026 will held from 3rd, 4th and 5th December in Delhi, proudly making the capital city the host of this year's edition. With strong industry support, IC has grown to become the world's fourth largest exhibition for elevators and escalators, reflecting the trust and collaboration of the entire industry. So this year's exhibition is planned on a massive area. So happening like this is the first time happening in India. So we will suggest you to plan your trip for like 2 days so that you can experience the scale of this show. And also you can see the innovations and the opportunities this exhibition has to offer you. Our next show is I See the Monsoon Edition in Chennai, featuring the quiz competition, the symposium, which is technical paper presentation, and the Dynamic Industry Expo. So this is scheduled for August 5th, 6th, and 7th, 2027. So, monsoon edition reflects the Chennai's regional weather calendar, where it is held before monsoon season. It creates a perfect time for the industrial professionals to network, to plan their upcoming projects, and also to discuss solutions before the operation slows down, typically caused by heavy rains. Our next show is IC Africa 2027. So it will be held from 24th, 25 to 26th November at KICC in Nairobi, Kenya. So Kenya is also one of the fastest growing infrastructure market in Africa, creating a strong opportunity for the elevator and escalator industry. So this exhibition will bring together global manufacturers, suppliers, and industry leaders to showcase that their innovations and the safe and also to like safe vertical mobility solutions for the growing Africa market. Next is IC papers. So IC papers, yes, vertical transportation industry has always been built on knowledge shaped by experience, innovation, and real world challenges. So, yet much of this knowledge often remains scattered, undocumented, and limited to the individuals and organizations. So, that's why e papers is created. a platform to share knowledge, to showcase your journey, and also to connect with the industrial professionals. So, this platform is built by the industry and for the industry to encourage learning, collaboration, and growth. So, if you're part of this vertical transportation ecosystem, this platform is for you. So, please do visit the website called icpapers.com, and also please follow us on social media as well. So, moving on to our today's webinar. So, it's called IC Software, How to Manage AMC Lift Service and to Generate New Elevator Quotations. So, as the elevator industry continues to evolve, the need for efficient and organized management for service operation has become increasingly important. Correct. So, for from tracking AMC contracts and managing customer complaints to generate quotation and also to monitor service performance, technology is playing a vital role in helping companies improving their efficiency and deliver better customer service. To help us understand how a software solution can support this operations, we are delighted to have with us Mr. Kishan Pala, the founder and director of Lionsol Infoway Private Limited. So, Mr. Pala is a data scientist, software strategist, and a product analyst with a passion to build an innovative cloud and digital solution. So through Lionsol Infoway, he has become a helping business streamline their process and to and to us and to also help them to adapt the digital transformation journey. So in today's webinar, he will share a valuable insights on managing the AMC lift service, improving service operation, and to simplify the quotation process through the dedicated elevator software solution. A quick note to the audience. So please feel free to put down your questions in the chat box during the session. We will take up your questions at the end during Q&A round. So with that, I invite Mr. Kishan to take over the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Neelam, first of all, for giving me these opportunities. Today, let me show you how to generate a new lift quotation from our Lionsol software. Let me share my screen. So all are able to see my screen.
Um,
Neelam, yes?
yes, we cannot see your screen, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see your screen. I think so. You need to share your screen.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, great.
done, correct.
We have two products relevant with the elevators. So first of all, elevator AMC, and the second was the Lionsol CRM. CRM is built for the new elevator quotations, new installation, project workflow management, and project inventory management. 100% from the new lift, starting the new lift and up to the handover to the client for the Lionsol CRM. So I'm showing you how to generate a new lift quotations. Access. See, these are all are the customers I have added earlier, and let me show you one new fresh customer. Add new customers. Select project type: bungalow project, scheme project, residential project. I'm selecting a scheme project. Sales type: NI sales, elevator, escalators, full replacements, modernization. Selecting NI sales. NI means new installations. Number of unit, project name. Contact person name, contact person number. Inquiry source by Facebook, Expo, website, field visit, source by salesperson. Let me explain this option. Source by salesperson means you are assigning a one inquiry to one salespersons. Whatever salesperson you selected, that will be reflecting in the quotation PDF is a sales executives. I just inputted the basic things. Now I am clicking on a save and proceed to lift model. Here is a one form asking for the elevator specifications. This specification is dynamically generated by the softwares, and you have all options to configure as per your lift model. Inputting number of passengers, type of elevator passenger lift, floor G plus 5. Once I input a G plus 5, number of stops will be automatically calculated. Building type residential, and you can even change the number of stops, number of lift, floor to floor height, speed, machine room with machine room, without machine room, machine type. I have to input the custom type, so I will click on a plus button and I will input a MRL gearless. I select MRL gearless, LOP, COP type, push buttons, landing door finish type, SS glass door, number of opening, car door finish type, ground floor landing door finish type, all other door landing door finish type. Let me explain one thing. You can also input a custom type by clicking on a plus icon. By clicking on a plus button, you can input your custom type. SS finish type, lift capacity, 680, save and proceed to quotations. Asking me for the number of unit, cost 12 lakh, GST applicable, yes, 18% GST applicable. If you want to add your payment terms, you can add your custom payment terms. I'm just clicking on a save. Here is a quotation preview. Asking the C option for the header and footer. If you want to print in your letterhead, just click on a no. Your letterhead space will be there. And if you want to include the header and footer with your logo, just yes, include header and footer. Here will be your header and footer as per your contract builder. This is just a basic type of elevator. See here your technical specifications, all technical specifications that we have inputted. These all these things are customizable, editable. Nothing is a print only. Nothing is a read only. All are customizable. Here will be your terms and conditions. Here is your price table. Price table is also changeable. It is customizable. Payment terms is a customizable. It is a common terms and condition thereafter. You can customize any number of pages. We have a standard contract builder. By using this contract builder, you can easily customize your format. If you face any difficulty, you can send us an email as a customer support @ lionsol.in. We will help you to build a quotation. Even we are a option for the specific customizations. Now moving on the sales part, again go back to product specifications. Here is your all inquiry select option. Here is your all inquiry. See here your product specification. Here is your quotations. You can add a multiple product in a single inquiry. If I want to add a one more product, I will just select silver height, add new product specifications. One more product will be added easily in the same quotations. Even you can give a separate price for the separate lift, separate elevator. And all separate two quotation and two products will be reflected in a single PDF. See, if I want to convert to order, if order is will be finalized and I want to convert to order, just I will simply click on a convert to order. System will ask, do you want to generate a project? Yes, I want to generate a project. Tentative date and approximate deadline that you need to hand over. Number of projects equal to number of unit in quotations. I will just click on a yes. Processing, finalize. After finalizing, system will ask for the document for the upload. For this document, you can upload a contract, signed contract. If any specific letter given by your customer, you can upload this here. You can add a special note. I'm just clicking on a cancel and go back to projects. Let me check. Yes, see, silver height demo project is generated here. I'm clicking on this. See, this is the project's detail page. Here is your task: site inspection, kickoff meeting, design gate, bomb, ESPD clearance account. All this job work is a customizable, editable, and as per your requirement, you can add a job masters. Whatever job master you will add, it will be automatically come to the running projects. Here is a Gantt chart. It will show you the progress of your project. Media, you can upload any document in the media. Not, you can add any special note. Invoices, payment terms. This page is reflected by the all teams, not only single user, but this page will be reflected by all teams. Now let me show you how to add a team. See, these two users is already added in this project by default. Okay, as per the department. If I want to add a more user, I can easily add a more user. Okay, assign all tasks to this user. अगर आपको सारे टास्क यूजर्स को असाइन करना है, if you want to assign all jobs to the particular user, you can just select this checkbox. Otherwise, you can keep it unchecked and save. Okay, now let me show you how to assign a task. First of all, I would check on site inspection, add it, priority very high, Krishna Patel, and I will add a description. I'll just add a description. And click on a save. Once I click on a save, Ruth Darji and Krishna Patel will automatically goes to the email notification along with the task detail and project detail. So they need to update the project digital. Okay. Once they will update the project digitally, all team members and hierarchy and a company owner will get the notification email. Okay. Likewise, you can complete all the tasks one by one, and workflow will be automatically. Once this task will be completed, kickoff meeting or task will be keep in pipeline, and all users will get the notification for a kickoff meeting. After that, once kickoff meeting finish, get design will be automatically initiated, and all users relevant department will receive the email notification. Like this work will be automatically, workflow will be automatically done. In between, you can generate the purchase order, you can generate the inventory as per the department work. Here is a purchase order, handover, bill of materials. For the bill of materials, you need to create a master's inventory. After that, you need to simply assign the BOM ID to that particular one project. Now, let's continue for the AMC part, servicing part. See, first of all, I show you the Lionsol CRM, and let's continue the elevator AMC. See, this is the dashboard of AMC. Okay, all active AMC are showing here. Open complaints. Active AMC here, open complaints 144 open complaints out of 1510. Total income, total earnings, open invoices, total number of complaints, and total number of clients. Let's start from the beginning. Sales customers. Add a new customer. Site name. Spawn Amperio. Satellite. Mobile number. Here is the customer's mobile number. In this mobile number, client will receive the SMS notifications about their ticket, about their routine service plan, ticket completion report, service completion report, AMC renewal reminder. All these notifications will be shoot to this SMS, not to this number by SMS notifications. Let me keep it blank now. As I click on a save, asking for the AMC detail now. AMC type, comprehensive, payment terms, annually advance, contract period. See, this is the contract period 1/6/2/31/5/2027. Number of service, I will input a 0 as of now because I want to generate a service a lift wise, elevator wise, not a open service. Okay, so services will be generated lift wise, elevator wise only. So start date, end date, I'm clicking on a save now. See, AMC details is saved. I can see here there is a no lift. I can see here there is no lift. I will add one lift. Click on a add lifts. floor ID, number of services 12, brand, model, number of passenger 10, load kg 680 automatic calculated, speed 1.5, machine type gearless, machine brand, formatter, lift type, auto door lift, door type automatic, door brand formatter, controller brand Schindler, cabin access. Okay, all details has been inputted. Now I'm just clicking on a save. Lift it added now. See, lift it added and 12 services generated. See, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. All 12 services generated bi-monthly. No month will be repeated. Our programming will be like this. No month will be repeated. Every month a single service. See, lift is added here. Now let me show you QR code. How to generate a QR code. QR code PDF preview. This QR code is very important. This QR code is a heart feature of our elevator AMC. Let me explain you how it works. Once customers scan this QR code, okay, then customer will receive one form, simple form. Booking 2 minutes हो गया. Okay, once you scan the QR code, just it will be open the one simple web form, and you need to just input the details. Once complaint will be logged, nearest technician location and route will be matched, and automatically receive the SMS notification and mobile app push notifications. So emergency complaint, you need to just stitch the QR code in the elevator, and anyone scan the QR code. Once complaint will receive, just technician, nearest technician will receive the notifications, and that notification will be updated by the mobile application Lionsol One app. I'm repeating the Lionsol One app, LIONSOL One app. ऑरेंज कलर का लोगो मिलेगा आपको, वहां से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. अगर आप कंपनी है तो डायरेक्टली कंपनी रजिस्टर भी मोबाइल ऐप से कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके टेक्नीशियन को आपको देना है तो पहले आपको टेक्नीशियन को रजिस्टर करवाना पड़ेगा एप्लीकेशन. लेट मी शो यू दैट ऐप. Here it is a Lionsol One app. आप यहाँ से अपने एम्प्लॉय को रजिस्टर करा सकते हैं. This is a digital process. Ticket, how to update the ticket. Let me show you short video to how to update the service or a tickets. Here is a short video for the processing of services. Just all list of routine services. Go to detail. Just simply click on update. You can see the material info. Click on update all solutions. Checkbox all the checkbox. This checkbox is a customizable. This is not static. This is dynamically customized. You can custom values, add a custom values. technician not and technician sign. Asking for the add remark. Technician detail add successfully. Technician remark and technician signature. Sorry, customer remark, customer signatures. Service is updated successfully. And this is the report. This is the service reports. Okay, now let me show you how to assign a services to your staff. Okay, see here is all list of services. I just click on add it, and I have a drop down menu here. I will add, and I will just click on a save. One notification will be issued to the that employee, SMS and push notification of a mobile applications. They will simply go to the application, login with OTP, and go to the service and update ticket or services digitally. How to add a new employee? You can just go to users employee. Here list of all employees. By using the web portal, you can add all your employees. Here all your leave data. Now let me show you how to generate a complaints. If customer will call you on toll-free number and you want to generate a ticket or a complaint in a Lionsol portal, you can just click on a complaints, create complaint, ISKCON Empiri our customers, assign to subject door issue, door lock issue, contact person name, contact person number, block wing. You can pass any messages. You can just clip it banked or just click on a save. Ticket is raised successfully. If you want to generate a report lift wise, just select lift and save. One customer can have multiple lifts. That's why there is an option for the select lift. Find nearest technician by geo. If you have inputted the customer location, that location will be matched to the technician's location, and you can find easily the nearest technician for this complaint, for this lift. Materials. See, here is the materials. If a technician require a new material changing in the particular lift, just they can request from the mobile application. All material will be reflected here. Now let me show you some reports. AMC, go to AMC. So you have multiple queries how to renew the AMC contract. So you can easily renew the AMC contract by filter out the data, by end date. See, here is a renew AMC button. By using the renew AMC button, you can just simply renew AMC start date, end date. Number of service, again I will be input 0 because I want to generate a lift, generate a service a lift wise. Payment mode, NEFT, comprehensive, click on a save. See, renew request is generated. It is just a renew request now. It is not renewed yet. Renew in process. Okay. So I will just click on approve. After checking all the details, I will just click on approve. Now this is renewed. See, now the new contract is here. New contract period. It is active. All service list is here. Request is approved. I want to generate a new services. I will simply create a service, 12 service here and set. Number of service 12. See, 12 services generated. New 12 services generated. See. Again, you can simply assign edit, click on edit and assign to the technicians. Let me explain you one more algorithm. How service is working automatically in Lionsol AMC software. See, routine services here. See, here is the 5th May month service 2027, November, December. Here is the August month service. Okay, let me explain you one thing. I will just assign this service to the one technicians, Ruth Darji, in set. Okay, so Ruth Darji service, this is assigned to the Ruth Darji service. Once Ruth Darji will go to the site, work check-in and completed service by digitally, and next service will be assigned automatically XYZ society automatically to that particular technician, means Ruth Darji. Okay, so this workflow will be continuously working. No need any backend work. No need to check any backend manual assignment of the services. If your technician is, your staff is absent, then in that case you can assign that particular service to that another technician, another guy. Okay. Well, I have show you all the major features. Now let me show you one more payment module. Okay, I'm showing you the payment module. AMC, go to AMC. How to generate a invoice in a single click. Okay, let me show you how to generate a invoice in a single click. This is a ISCON Imperio. I will click on a ISCON Imperio contract. I will click on a add item. Free warranty, save. See, 15,000 contract is here. I just click on a PDF. This PDF is 100% customizable, 100% editable, 100% customizable. I have added just simple PDF. You can add your own PDF. You can add your own data. Your header, your logo, your footer, everything is customizable by using a contract builder. AMC software have also contract builder. See here, AMC contract, AMC quotations, spare part quotations, repair quotations, company header, company footer. You can add all your details here. If you have any difficulty to add, just send an email to customer support at lionsol.in. We will take a remote and help you to add it. This is 100% customizable. Now let me show you how to generate a bill. Okay, here is a 15,000 item. You can see there is a button convert to bill. Simply you can convert to bill and tax invoice will be generated automatically. See, the tax invoice is generated. Here is your tax invoice. You can add your customer details, GST number, address. In this page, all details is given here. GST number, adding GST number, billing address, issue date, due date, currency. Now I am recording the payment, record payment, NEFT. Click on a save. Preview PDF. Here is your tax invoice PDF. This is one standard format, and we have multiple formats in our software. You can select any of the format. Now let me show you how to add a spare part quotation, sales quotations. Click on a create quotations, customer, ISCON embryo, spare part quotations, AMC type, sales executive, date, lift. Click on a save. Here is a add item for the pricing purpose. I will click on a plus icon, door lock, 1500 rupees price, AMC, trade, goods, unit NOS. Is a unit NOS. Click on a save. Here is your PDF preview. See, it will be reflect customer address, customer name, customer GST number. All terms condition will be reflecting here. If you add the terms condition in the editor, it will be reflecting here. If you add the logo, header, footer, it will be reflect in the header and footer. This is a very simple spare part quotations. Now all major features regarding the elevator AMC I have shown you. Thank you so much for the joining these meetings and give me this opportunity. Thank you so much for ISEE Winters for giving me this opportunity to explain my products. And thank you so much, Neelam, and give me very enthusiasm for the in this industry. Thank you so much, Neelam. Thank you,
Thank you, Kishanji. Thank
thank
you for
you.
sharing the practical insights of your software. Now we
Thank you.
will move on to the Q&A round. In case any of our attendees have any questions to ask Kishan, you can drop your questions in the Q&A box. Kishan, there are like few questions I want to highlight from my side.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
first one is, so is this software customizable according to the workflow of the specific
Yes.
company?
Yes. It is customizable.
Okay. And next is for a new client, typically onboarding a new client. What is a timeline process on onboarding or going live with the app with the software with the elevator company? What is the timeline? How much
Yeah.
timeline?
For the company registration and onboard up to the activation, it will take only 10 minutes.
Okay,
Only 10 minutes time to join the company in our official website, lionsol.in.
great. After that, you'll like take how much time to like create a particular software as per the company,
Okay.
customized software.
Okay. Majorly, elevator company, elevator industry has a customizer of AMC contract format, PDF format. It will take a 4 to 5 days as per the AMC type, means comprehensive, non-comprehensive, silver, gold. They have a specific terms and conditions. If they give us in a Word format or a PDF format, it will be take only 4 to 5 days. And if you have a single format, then it will be take a 24 hour only.
Great, great. Is there any questions from the attendees side to like ask to Kishan? There
If you
is
want, I
one.
can share the help center as well. We have an online help center.
There is one question from Mr. Prasad. What is the cost, one time cost or every year cost required? Means the
It is
costing is
every,
every year or it's one time cost.
yes, its cost is every year. For the both the product, we have every year cost,
So it's like annual cost.
annual cost.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Uh, yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. Here is a pricing plan actually.
Great. So attendees, this is his website. You can note it down in case you want to contact them in future. Great. I think Kishanji, that's all with the
Thank you.
webinar. Thank you for your time. We appreciate it. And thank
Thank you,
you
Chief.
like sharing your expertise and helping attendees to understand how the digital tool can improvise the efficiency and also like streamline the operation process.
Thank you.
Like,
Thank you
yes,
so much. Great experience. Thank you.
great. And I also thank you all the attendees for joining this webinar today. As a reminder, our webinar happens every Tuesday. Our next webinar will be on 30th June. So let's stay connected and see you on next ICE platform session. Have a
Thank you.
wonderful evening. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you.